My name is John Lompart. My wife's name is Marion Lompart. She was born in Toronto. I was born in Sudbury.
I lived in Islington, and he lived in Cooksville. And it just so happened I ended up in Cooksville all the time with Dad's car. Dad thought I was going skating.
We've been married for about 55 years, and we knew each other as we were kids, teenagers growing up.
Since we were 16. Yeah, since we were 16 years old.
We're in love and have been in love and still are.
Right from the start, I loved him.
Hadn't been together a long time, and I see a big change in her because of this problem. The challenges we had were, at the start, of course, she was asking a lot of questions and repeating the same question constantly. It would be almost as if she never heard the answer before. Hearing things, phone ringing, trucks going by that aren't there, and seeing people in the room. Somebody should be in the house that's not there, or where is everybody that was there, but we had nobody there. And it was a concern that she was going to get worse and worse. We both have to be involved in this disease, I believe, because she can't do without me, and I want to be there for her because situation, it's a little tough.
I was always interested in neurology and destined to be a neurologist. The brain and human behavior and psychology were always of huge interest to me, even as a child. There is Alzheimer's disease in my family. Certainly at this point in my life and career, I know this disease from the inside out. We have no cures. We have no preventions that are proven at the moment. With a medication as being tested in the Amaranth study, we have the opportunity to reduce or slow down the production of beta amyloid and therefore reduce the amount of injury to the brain. And in this study, in the Amaranth study, we're looking at a compound that would prevent formation of plaque buildup in the brain. There are 2 people involved for every patient in an Alzheimer's trial. And both people have needs, and both people have a critical role in this study. You, the caregiver, know this individual better than anyone else, and we need you. We need you to help us develop new treatments and to give us the feedback that will be meaningful and that will keep medicines safe. We really need your participation. The Amaranth study is a long study. By that I mean it's 2 years. There are 21 visits for our patient and study partner to participate in. 4 of those are telephone contacts, but the rest are face-to-face visits in the clinic. So it's a 2-year requirement with frequent visits, and at each visit there will be a number of procedures. There will be some cognitive testing on some of these visits. There will be blood draws. Initially there will be a spinal tap or a PET scan. One of the procedures that is often requiring a fair bit of explanation is a spinal tap. And here, individuals may have had a preconceived idea about a spinal tap being a very difficult procedure. We do them right in the clinic. We do hundreds of them, and they're actually very well tolerated. This is okay, that it's going to go okay, and it does go well. Participants work hard, but they contribute a huge amount, and they often feel very pleased to contribute to the development of a new treatment.
It was very important to have somebody I could trust in this trial, to make sure that we were being well looked after. This is the very first clinical trial that we've been involved in, and we weren't too sure what to do or what was going to happen. I've built a good relationship. The people here are very professional. They're right on top of everything.
It's been wonderful. The people are great. They try to be as helpful as they can.
I want her to get better, of course. That's why we're here, and we're going to continue to do this and see if we can beat this.
For me, I always felt I needed to do something more. I needed to help find some new and better treatments. And I'm happy to do that. I've been doing that for 18 years. And I'll keep doing it until we have a substantial breakthrough.
Yeah, well, I'm here for her. I have to be.
Without these studies, we would have nothing. But this gives us all hope.